more people are going to want to walk away from you. More people are not going to want to work with you because they're not going to feel comfortable, because every time they look over their shoulder, you're going to be sitting there breathing over their shoulder. That is not leadership. That is definitely management. And so if you want to manage that way, hey, that works for you. But I'm going to tell you this, when the job market opens and gets better, the person that you thought was a great resource is they up out of there. They're going to move. They're going to exit stage right because they don't feel comfortable that you trust them. This is about a trust. If you say you're going to do something, of course, I'm going to verify that you've done it. I'm going to verify that you said you're going to do it. But you don't have to, there's certain resources that you don't need to be hovering over. You need to give them an opportunity because they want to be able to earn your trust. And the way they can earn your trust is saying, hey, I'm going to be able to do this. And sometimes people don't feel comfortable coming back to you and saying, hey, I'm stuck here, I'm stuck there, because of the fact that they know, well, maybe I'm probably going to get micromanaged if I say this, so I better go and figure it out, instead of taking, my favorite word, collaborating together. So again, family, for point number 3, I know this is a long video, but I'm really passionate about you being tolerated versus you being, celebrated. I'd rather be celebrated any day, because you can go anywhere in this world and be tolerated.